How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I got a bit of a different one. If you watched last week's video, well, I say last week, if you watched my previous video, I installed my KSB side skirts to my BMW 320d. And at the start, I briefly mentioned that I'd be looking, that I've placed a deposit on a new car and that the BMW was for sale. The car actually sold a week ago today, last weekend, and it's gone. So I'm currently sat in my new car, really excited to show you it. I'm really sorry for everyone who was waiting for those rear spats installation, because I know some of you messaged me saying can't wait to see it, but I did fit them. The car sold. I'll show you a few clips of the car, the BMW, later on in the video, driving away, and it completely finished with the low line kit on. But for the meantime, I'll show you my new car. There you have it, guys, my 2012 Audi RS3 8P. For those of you that follow me on my Facebook page and Instagram, you'll already know that I had this, but for those of you that were watching me from my Focus ST and BMW, who only see me on YouTube, you wouldn't have had a clue I was getting this. Apart from the hint of maybe getting another 5-pot, but apart from that, I think it was a bit of a surprise. I didn't actually expect for me to get it so soon. Like I said, I placed a deposit on the car. The sale went well for my BMW quite quickly, so I got the car delivered to me. And while we're on that topic, I want to say a massive thank you to Imran. I know you're going to be watching this, mate, at Lux Performance, who supplied me with this car. Brilliant service, and was more than happy to answer all my questions and really help me out. So once again, Imran, thank you very much, mate. I'm so happy with the car. So for those of you who aren't too familiar with the RS3, it's a 2.5 litre inline 5-cylinder. It's a turbocharged petrol engine. This car produces 340 brake horsepower from standard, and I think around 320 foot-pounds of torque. Don't quote me on that though. It's Quattro all-wheel drive. This specific model is finished in Suzuka Grey Metallic, which looks absolutely amazing in the sun. It looks quite white, but it's got this silvery grey white pearlescent glitter throughout it, so in the right sunlight it looks awesome. As you can see, I've given it a good clean, so it's absolutely gleaming at the minute. I've also gone for the optional upgrade of the RS3 signature bucket seats, the wing backs. Obviously these came in the RS4s and some other models too. This car is standard with the 7-speed S-tronic gearbox. It's strange having an automatic. It's my first auto in a car, but it's amazing. It took me a day or two to get used to not using a clutch and stuff, but it does wonders. I really hope you can hear me. It's so windy out, but the car also comes standard with the 19-inch alloy wheels, and the brake discs and calipers are absolutely massive. The wheels need a bit of a refurb, but nothing we can't sort out. Gave the engine bay a good detail as well, clean beforehand, because it was very dusty. I don't want to bore you too much with specs and stats and all that kind of crap, but I just wanted to give you an idea of what the car is. What the car is, what car I've got, and how it is. It's absolutely amazing. I'm so happy with it. The performance is next level. I've never had a car of this caliber before. Obviously my Mark II Focus ST was around 310 brake horsepower, but obviously it's all going through the front wheels. It's slightly older technology, and it's a manual, which is more of a driver's car, you could say, but this is another league of car. Absolutely amazing. So what plans have I got for this car? I'm going to bring you along for the whole journey of this car. It's only done 40,600 miles. It's going to be a long-term car. I've got plans to do a lot of cosmetic stuff to it, eventually go through to the performance side of things a bit more. The only reason I'm saying in the future is because I've got 6 months warranty on it, and I don't want to void it with performance parts just yet. So I'm going to do some interior cosmetics, some exterior cosmetics. I've got the GoPro. We can do nice driving, point of view driving, general review. And I'm just looking forward to making content on this car and bringing you guys along with me. For a few of you, this could be the first time you're watching my videos. So hopefully if you enjoyed this sort of content, well, not that I've produced much of it yet, but I'm just showing you the car. But if you do enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to follow the journey of this car, and it's going to be good. So just quickly changing the subject back to my previous BMW. What I'm going to do now is insert the clips of my old car driving away, as I usually do when I sell one. And I've also got a video of just a general walk around of the car. I gave the car a really good clean and polish before I sold it, and the rear spats were fitted. The full KSB Lowline kit was on, and it looked awesome. So I'll play these videos for you now, and I'll see you in a minute. Sometimes they don't work, sometimes they do. You can iron them and it gives them a bit more strength. It's because the belt curves. It's a pain in the ass. Cheers, buddy. No worries, mate. See you in a bit. So as you can see, the car looked mint. I know it's just a 320D, but I mean, I did put a bit of time and money into it. It definitely paid off. It looked proper smart. But anyway, I'm going to kind of wrap up the video there. I know this is kind of a short, brief update for you, but hopefully this gives you a good insight as to what's to come for the channel. So we've finally got a proper performance car on the channel now. Going to hopefully make some great content, and it's going to be good. So I thought I'd quickly insert these clips of when I took delivery of the car. The car was all the way up in Yorkshire, which is about six and a half hour drive from where I am. So it was quite convenient that I could get it delivered. It actually cost cheaper to get it delivered compared to both myself and my dad getting a train ticket up there and then paying for the fuel on the way back, including lunch money and all that kind of stuff. I decided to pay the extra little bit of money so that the trailer that my car would come in would be enclosed with a roof, because the last thing I wanted is, for example, the car to be parked somewhere on a flatbed and be exposed in case the driver wanted to sleep overnight somewhere. Didn't really want it just to be on its own without a roof. So at least it's protected from the weather, there was no miles put on the car, and it was kept clean. So guys, once again, thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Give me a comment below. What are your thoughts on the new car? What do you want to see me produce? And also, if there's any Audi RS3 8P owners out there that could give me any tips or advice on this car, because it's all new to me, please do. Doesn't matter what it is, I just want to know as much info as possible. So thanks very much, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.